Hello, I'm Curtis Morrison, immigration attorney. Today is Wednesday, March 10th, 2021. This video is about an opportunity that we have coming up, and I'm going to talk about it right now. Basically, the case prospectus. DV2021 challenge to Schengen area issuance ban. That's what this case is about. So this lawsuit is an opportunity for DV 2021 selectees to challenge the application of President Biden's Proclamation 10143. That's the suspension of entry as immigrants and non-immigrants of certain additional persons who pose a risk of transmitting coronavirus disease 2019. It's commonly called the Schengen ban, sometimes the 14-day ban or the quarantine ban. We're challenging it as an issuance ban because the State Department, in implementing this proclamation, is using it as an issuance ban when really INA 212F only gives the president authority to issue an entry ban, not a visa issuance ban. Okay, so that's basically the nuts and bolts of what this lawsuit's for and who it's for. We will be filing the lawsuit in the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia. Many of you know that we have had a lot of success there, mainly with our Muhammad and Fangjong cases recently for DV 2020 in September. And those cases are ongoing, as well as another case, Kennedy, and we continue fighting until everyone in the case has a viable chance at getting a visa. We continue fighting for them, okay? So important dates to remember about this new case. March 23rd, 2021. That is the last day for signups. Sign up is a little bit of work, so you don't want to wait till that last day to do it. That's actually hard on us too, and we can do the best complaint if people sign up early so that we have more time to use their facts to prepare our complaint. The filing date for the complaint, this is a hard date. We are going to file this complaint on March 30th, 2021. That means we will serve it in the first week of April. We'll get our motion for preliminary injunction filed in the first week of April, and we will hopefully get a hearing date before the first week of May. That's our plan, okay? So, to participate in this lawsuit, DV 2021 selectees must meet 3 criteria. 1, you must be located in the Schengen area, or Belarus, because Belarus residents use the Warsaw Embassy that's in the Schengen area, or having an interview at a U.S. embassy in the Schengen area, like Belarus residents, or in other countries subject to similar 14-day bans. These include United Kingdom, Ireland, South Africa, Brazil, China. Now, some of those countries do not have DV winners, but nationals of other countries are located there, and so they're assigned at those embassies. So if you are located in one of those countries and you risk being assigned to an embassy there and thus not issued a DV visa because you're assigned to a country within one of these bans, you need to pay attention. This case is for you. Okay, number 2, you must have visa numbers that are current in the visa bulletin. Okay, visa bulletin comes out every month. Right now, the visa numbers that are current for the EU are 12,000 and under. So if you have a visa number that's EU and any number less than 12,000, this is the case for you. If your number is more than 12,000, stay tuned. We could have a case for you in the future, but it's not this case. Unless the visa bulletin comes out in the next week or so and has the number go up, and then you can sneak in. But you have to be Schengen area or other Schengen type ban area, and your visa number has to be current. Okay. 3rd, you must have completed and submitted your DS-260. Now, the question I'm going to get is, do I have to have submitted all my documents and been notified that they are okay? No. because KCC hasn't been soliciting those documents. We just want to make sure that you're invested enough that you completed and submitted your DS-260. Okay, so if you're not eligible on those three criteria, be patient. This case will be the first of forthcoming cases based upon the same legal theory as long as these stupid bans continue to exist. Okay, the cost to participate. The fee to participate in this first case is $3,000 per DV2021 selectee family. That's regardless of family size, whether it's just the DV selectee or DV selectee plus spouse and 7 kids. It's still the same price, $3,000 per family. The fee will be payable in 2 parts as follows: $1,000 to start as initial fee, and $2,000 when the DV 2020 selectee enters the USA. Okay, the fee will include our representation and consular processing. That's important because we understand our competitors do not give that consular processing support, or at least they didn't, and that's a lot of work on behalf of our team. Okay, that means if you have a problem in consular processing, we're there for you. If you need to reopen your DS-260 for something, if the consular officer requests a document and you need to know how to respond, we're there for you. Okay, and if we have to do expedite requests, we're there for that too. Consular processing representation is very important. Okay, frequently asked questions. 1. To participate, must I have submitted all my documents to KCC? Answer, no, but you must have submitted the DS-260. Okay. Frequently asked question number 2. If I participate in this lawsuit, but later I believe I got my visa without assistance from the lawsuit, do I still need to pay the $2,000 installment after I enter the U.S.? Great question. Yes. We are with you for the long haul until you get the visa. We want you to be with us for the long haul too. So let's agree to that before we get in a contract, okay? Third, are DV 2020 selectees or any other visa categories eligible to participate in this lawsuit? Answer, no. I realize that there are some other visa categories that are subject to the Schengen ban, like siblings of U.S. citizens, adult children of U.S. citizens. There's some employment categories. We will have cases for those categories in the future if these bans continue. But right now, this first case we're doing is only for DV 2021 Schengen area, current, or other areas that are like Schengen, and the DV visa number has to be current in the visa bulletin too. So if you have any questions, contact me or a member of our team, and we will do everything we can to answer those questions, and so that you can make a wise decision on whether or not you want to participate in our lawsuit or not. So thank you very much for watching this video, and have a great day. Drink water, breathe air.